Think that nobody ever asked, swear I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. So, boom. Like I said, 5 minute got hit, boom, traded down, broke structure. So I knew, okay, we on a like my bias is bearish. So I knew that after the 5 minute. Then I went down a little lower to see what it's really doing because there was nothing that I was just gonna enter off of on the 5 minute. Okay, why is it? All right, so then I went down to all the way to the 1 minute. I went to the 1 minute and I seen literally on this breaker structure, like I said, I seen this 1 minute. It traded in here, boom. I was like on the chart at 8 o'clock, so I was like right here with this red candle is, and I already see, like I said, I already did the analysis. And when it started having that momentum to the downside, like I said, I seen it before, so I got in like right here around this area, and from there, boom, 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 and I was out right here. I was out after this third move, right? This third candle, 1, 2, 3, out right here. All right, y'all, so that's actually the end of the video, but I wanted to give you guys a little bit of context. That was a very quick breakdown because it was in 2 minutes. If you see the title, I made 6% in 2 minutes, so it really wasn't too much analyzing. Like it was, but ASAP, I'm on the chart and I already see the result in 2 minutes. So it was very quick. But if you want to learn how to go to the market every day or every week and do the exact same thing, look at the chart in the same way that is proven to be a winner, a winning strategy, and then you can actually add trading as a consistent income source on top of if you already had a job, or if this is going to be your main income source. If you want to learn how to trade the right way and how to eventually be an independent trader and not need me, make sure you go to the description. You can either book a one-on-one call, you can hit my Instagram, you could look at the free content I have on here. I have continued to have free content on YouTube. I have a free webinar, a free boot camp, a free workshop, whatever you want to call, where I go 4 days into the fundamentals of FOREX, the psychology of a profitable trader, my winning strategy, a little overview breakdown, and also how to see results ASAP. So you'll see exactly what platforms I use on a daily basis, and all this is for free. Just click the link in the description, and yeah, I'll see you on the other side. We do this every day, so you have to make that move. Click in the link in the bio. I'll see you.